Hello everyone, today we will be creating this paper tear transition. I'm gonna do this with minimal commentary. And before we start, I want to recommend you to check out my updated version of Write and Text Animator Script. It's a powerful tool that allows you to create text animations with minimal efforts. And if you purchased the previous version, check your email, I sent you an update. And let's start. I create a new composition and I import my paper pictures. It's just the photos of paper I made. I tore up a paper sheet and took two photos of the two parts. So let's create a new solid. It's gonna be our footage, and let's pre-compose this footage. I place it below one paper part and set blend mode to alpha. Then I just duplicate these two layers and send blend mode to alpha inverted mate. Now I add another copy of the composition with footage to the timeline and draw a mask for it around the tear. Now I need to apply the effect called linear wipe and animate it. I can set another wipe angle to change the direction of the animation. Okay, let's pre-compose one footage composition with one paper part and name it part bottom, and pre-compose another footage composition with a paper part and name it part top. And now let's duplicate both of these new compositions and place them below. Now select the paper part and set alpha mate for part top. Now I add another paper part and set to alpha mate for part bottom copy. I pre-compose again, name it bottom back, and pre-compose another paper part with part top composition and name it top back. Now I search for the effect called CC page turn and apply it to part bottom, back page set to bottom back, apply the effect again to part top and set back page to top back. And now I want to set a controls for part bottom composition to top left corner, and for part top to bottom left corner. I want to increase a fold radius. It's unnecessary, but I think it looks bare. Let's set it to 125. Now we need to animate fold position for both parts. And the last thing that I want to do is to fix the animation of linear wipe for our tier. I just need to make it faster. We can stretch this animation. And that's all. You can just place your second footage below all of these layers. Let's create a new solid. This would be our second footage. And the transition is complete. And that's all. I hope this video was useful. Thank you for watching.